Complete the ordered pairs 0, blank, blank 0, and blank negative 3 for the equation 3x plus 5y equals negative 30. Ordered pairs are in the form where the first coordinate represents our x coordinate and the second coordinate is the y coordinate. So to complete the ordered pairs, we'll substitute the given coordinate in each ordered pair into the corresponding variable in the equation and solve for the other variable. We'll start with the ordered pair 0, blank. Here, our x coordinate is 0, so in our equation, we'll let x equal 0. We have 3 times 0 plus 5y is equal to negative 30. Simplifying, we have 5y is equal to negative 30, and solving for y, we divide both sides of the equation by 5 to get y equals negative 6. So this ordered pair is 0, negative 6. Next, we have blank 0. In this case, it's the y coordinate that's 0. So our equation is 3x plus 5 times 0 is equal to negative 30. Simplifying the left side, we have 3x is equal to negative 30. And solving for x, we divide both sides of the equation by 3 to get x is equal to negative 10. So the ordered pair is negative 10, 0. Finally, we have the ordered pair blank, negative 3. Here our y-coordinate is negative 3. So our equation is 3x plus 5 times negative 3 is equal to negative 30. Simplifying on the left side, we have 3x minus 15 is equal to negative 30. We add 15 to both sides of the equation to get 3x is equal to negative 15. And then we divide both sides of the equation by 3 to get x equals negative 5. And so our final ordered pair is negative 5, negative 3.